Ever gazed at the night sky, a million stars twinkling above, each one a distant sun, a symbol of boundless energy and potential? These stars, though light years away, shine brightly, reminding us of the vast possibilities that exist in the universe. Just like the stars, each sunrise brings with it a new day, a fresh start, and endless opportunities. Imagine waking up every morning with the knowledge that today could be the day you take a step closer to your dreams. What if I told you that within you lies that same potential, the power to achieve a million dreams? Yes, you heard that right. The same energy that fuels the stars is within you, waiting to be harnessed. The power to achieve a million dreams, to turn your aspirations into reality. Whether it's starting a business, writing a book, or creating art, the potential is there, waiting for you to tap into it. Imagine being able to amass $1 million in just 1 year. It sounds like a lofty goal, doesn't it? But what if it's possible? What if with the right mindset, strategy, and determination, you could achieve financial freedom in just 12 months? It's a bold statement, I know. One that might stir doubt, even fear. You might be thinking, is this really achievable? Can I do it? Doubt and fear are natural reactions. They are the mind's way of protecting us from the unknown. The fear of failure can be paralyzing, making us question our abilities and our worth. The fear of the unknown, the fear of failure. These fears can hold us back, keeping us from taking the necessary steps to achieve our dreams. But what if we could overcome these fears? But let me ask you this. What if you succeed? What if you take that leap of faith and it pays off? Imagine the sense of accomplishment, the joy of achieving something you once thought was impossible. What if this year, this very moment, marks the beginning of your journey to financial freedom? A journey where each step brings you closer to your goals, where every effort is a step towards success. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or lottery fantasies. It's about hard work, dedication, and smart planning. It's about making informed decisions, learning from failures, and continuously striving for improvement. This is about igniting the fire within, about finding that spark of motivation, and turning it into a blazing inferno of determination and drive. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities, about harnessing your potential and transforming it into tangible wealth. It's about setting clear goals, creating a plan, and taking consistent action towards achieving those goals. Are you ready to take the leap? To step out of your comfort zone and embrace the journey toward your dreams? The path may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. So are you ready to ignite your potential and achieve 1 million dreams in 1 year? Becoming a millionaire in a year starts not with $1 earned, but with a mindset cultivated. This mindset is the foundation upon which all your future successes will be built. It's about more than just thinking positively. It's about adopting a whole new way of seeing the world and your place in it. It's about shifting your perspective, transforming your thoughts from "I can't" to "I can and I will." This shift is crucial because it changes how you approach every challenge and opportunity that comes your way. When you believe in your potential, you start to see possibilities where others see limitations. It's about seeing opportunity where others see obstacles. The path to wealth is often fraught with challenges, but those who succeed are the ones who view these challenges as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. They understand that every setback is a setup for a comeback, and every failure is a lesson in disguise. The wealthy don't think like the average person. They have trained their minds to focus on long-term gains rather than short-term gratifications. They are strategic in their thinking, always planning several steps ahead. This strategic mindset allows them to navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence and foresight. They are not afraid to dream big, to embrace risk, to relentlessly pursue their goals. This fearlessness is not about being reckless. It's about being willing to take calculated risks that have the potential to yield significant rewards. They understand that playing it safe often means missing out on the biggest opportunities. This mindset is built on unwavering self-belief, a conviction that you are capable of achieving greatness. It's about looking in the mirror and seeing a winner, someone who is destined for success. This self-belief fuels your actions and propels you forward even when the going gets tough. It thrives on a hunger for knowledge, a constant desire to learn, adapt, and evolve. The most successful people are lifelong learners. They are always seeking out new information, new skills, and new ways of thinking. They understand that the world is constantly changing and they must change with it to stay ahead. It's about surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, mentors who have walked the path and can guide you towards your own financial summit. These relationships are invaluable, providing you with insights, support, and encouragement. They help you stay focused on your goals and remind you that you are not alone on this journey. The path to wealth is paved with strategic action. It's about identifying lucrative opportunities and seizing them with unwavering focus. Investing, for instance, is a proven wealth-building tool. Real estate, stocks, cryptocurrencies, each presents a unique avenue to grow your wealth exponentially. Entrepreneurship, the art of building something from the ground up, is another potent avenue. Identify a problem, create a solution, and market it with passion and precision. The digital age has democratized entrepreneurship, offering countless opportunities to launch online businesses, scale rapidly, and generate substantial income. Navigating the minefield of wealth building is no small feat. The road to wealth is rarely smooth. It's fraught with risks, with potential pitfalls that can derail even the most determined individual. Market volatility, economic downturns, unforeseen challenges, these are all part of the journey. But fear not, for every risk, there exists a mitigation strategy. Diversifying your investments, for instance, mitigates the impact of a single market downturn. Conducting thorough market research minimizes the risks associated with entrepreneurship. And remember, every setback is a learning opportunity, a chance to refine your approach and emerge stronger. Tales from the trenches show us the way forward. These are not just stories, they are blueprints for success, drawn from the experiences of real people who have walked the path before us. They have faced challenges, overcome obstacles, and emerged victorious, showing us that with the right mindset and determination, anything is possible. Their journeys are filled with lessons that can guide us, inspire us, and push us to reach for our own dreams. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have been there, who have felt the fear and uncertainty, yet chose to move forward anyway. They are the living proof that success is not reserved for a select few, but is attainable by anyone willing to put in the effort and take the necessary risks. Their stories are a testament to the power of perseverance and the human spirit. Throughout history, countless individuals have defied the odds, achieving remarkable financial success in record time. From the bustling streets of Wall Street to the innovative hubs of Silicon Valley, these trailblazers have left an indelible mark on the world. They have shown us that with vision, hard work, and a bit of luck, extraordinary achievements are within our grasp. Their legacies continue to inspire new generations of entrepreneurs and investors, proving that the dream of financial independence is not just a fantasy, but a tangible reality. Take the young entrepreneur who identified a gap in the market, launched an innovative product, and scaled it into a multi-million-dollar business within a year. This is not an isolated incident, but a recurring theme in the world of business. These visionaries see opportunities where others see obstacles. They are not afraid to take risks, to fail, and to try again. Their stories remind us that success is not a straight line, but a journey filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. It is the resilience and determination to keep going that ultimately leads to success. Or the astute investor who, through meticulous research and calculated risks, multiplied their initial investment tenfold in the stock market. This is a story of patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of the market. It is a reminder that success in investing is not about luck, but about making informed decisions and staying the course. These investors are not just lucky, they are skilled, knowledgeable, and strategic. Their success is a result of years of learning, analyzing, and making smart choices. These stories are not mere anecdotes, they are testaments to the power of a determined mind, the potential that lies dormant within each of us. They show us that with the right mindset, anything is possible. These individuals did not start with all the answers. They learned, adapted, and grew along the way. Their journeys are a source of inspiration, reminding us that we too have the potential to achieve greatness. It is about believing in ourselves, setting ambitious goals and working tirelessly to achieve them. The potential that lies dormant within each of us is immense. It is waiting to be unleashed, to be nurtured, and developed. These stories are a call to action, urging us to tap into our own potential and strive for greatness. They remind us that we are capable of more than we realize, that our dreams are within reach if we are willing to work for them. It is about pushing past our limits, challenging ourselves, and never giving up. Let their journeys inspire you, fuel your own ambition, and remind you that extraordinary results are within your reach. These stories are not just about financial success, they are about personal growth, resilience, and the power of the human spirit. They show us that with determination, hard work, and a bit of courage, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. So take these lessons to heart, let them guide you on your own journey, and remember that you have the power to create your own success story.